Lesson 8. Fun with Sprite. Learning prospects. Create a new project. Change the appearance of a sprite. Making a sprite say something. Repeating actions. Adding sound. In the previous chapter, you have learned how to open Scratch and make simple projects in it using the motion and pen blocks. In this chapter, you will learn about changing the appearance of sprite, its color and size, repeating actions, making it say something, and adding sound effects to a project. Create a new project. To create a project, follow the given steps. Step 1. Open Scratch window. Click on the File menu. Step 2. Choose the new option. A new project opens up with a default cat sprite on the stage. Change the appearance of a sprite. You can edit the looks of the sprite by changing its costume. The looks blocks control the looks of the sprite. To change the sprite's look, follow the given steps. Step 1. Click on the Costumes tab to see and edit the sprite's costume. Let us learn the method to choose a costume from the library. Step 2. Click on the Choose a Costume button. The number of choices will appear in the costume library. Step 3. Select the Animals option from the Categories section. Step 4. Select Krabby Sprite and click on OK. Step 5. Observe that the new costume will be added under the costumes list as well as displayed on the stage. Step 6. Select the Code tab and click on the Motion category. Step 7. Drag the Move 10 step block and drop it to the Scripts area. Click inside the number box and change the steps value from 10 to 20. Step 8. Now, select the Looks category. Drag the Change Color Effect by 15 block on the Scripts area. Step 9. Place it below the Move 20 steps block. Step 10. Now, pick the next costume and snap it below the Change Color Effect by 15 block in the script. Step 11. Click on any of the blocks to run the block stack. Observe the sprite changing its costume and color. Making a sprite say something. The Say Hello block allows the sprite to say something in a speech bubble. To do the same, follow the given steps. Step 1. Click on the Looks category. Drag the Say Hello block and drop it on the Scripts area. Step 2. Now, click on the Control category. Step 3. Drag the Wait 1 seconds block to the Scripts area. This block makes the sprite wait for a specified number of seconds before moving to the next block of the script. Step 4. Again, select the Looks block category and place the Say Hello for 2-second block beneath the Wait 1 second block. This block allows the sprite to say something for the specified number of seconds. Step 5. Click on any of the blocks to run the script. Repeating actions. You can repeat the actions of the sprite as many times as needed. You will get various blocks to control the actions in the Control category. Blocks held inside the Repeat 10 block are repeated for a specified number of times mentioned in the block. Let us learn to use the Repeat block. Step 1. Pick the Repeat 10 block and place it on the Scripts area. Change the value from 10 to 20. Step 2. Drag the Turn 15-degree block and move 10 steps block from the Motion blocks palette and drop them on the Scripts area. Step 3. Change the value in both the blocks. Step 4. Now, place them inside the Repeat 20 block as shown below. Step 5. Select the Pen block menu. Drag out the Stamp block and drop it below the Repeat 20 block. Step 6. Click on any block to run a stack and observe the repeated actions. Step 7. Apart from the repeat block, you can use the following blocks to control the actions of the sprite. Repeat 20. The blocks held inside this block will be in a loop that never ends unless the stop button is clicked. When green flag clicked, the block is available in the events category. It is the most used block in Scratch. The scripts that begin with this block will run once the green flag has been clicked. Adding sound. There are many ways to add sound to your Scratch project. Here, you will learn the blocks present in the Sound Blocks palette that are used to add sound. Follow these steps to add sound. Step 1. Make the script by adding the blocks as shown and stack them on the top of each other. Step 2. Click on the script to play the project. You will hear the sound of a cat, that is meow. Let us understand the use of blocks that you have used in the above project. Play sound meow until done. This block will play a specified sound. The script will pause until the sound has finished playing. Play drum, share drum for 0.25. This block is part of the music category that you can add from the extension. It plays a drum sound for a specified number of beats. You can change the drum type by clicking on the drop-down arrow next to the number and the number of beats by changing the value in the box. Tech fact: the stage is 480 units wide and 360 units tall. Knowledge zone: a loop is a sequence of instructions that is repeated until a certain condition is satisfied. Stop button: it is placed on the top right corner of the stage. It is red in color and used to stop the project at any time during execution. Green flag: it is a tiny icon placed at the top right corner of the stage screen. Clicking on the green flag will run the script.